Starbucks intends to offer NFTs alongside its coffee. Would you want an NFT to go along with your iced latte? This is no longer news. The most recent statement made by Starbucks was not about a new drink, but rather about a metaverse endeavor that would be known as Starbucks Odyssey. Starbucks is now embracing the Web3 revolution. Odyssey is a proposed extension to the company's well-known rewards program that'll enable customers to accumulate NFTs. So how is this going to work? And what does it mean for NFTs? Welcome back to Bitcoin Broadcast, one of the best channels for the latest trending cryptocurrency news. If you seek to be updated on what is currently happening in and out of the crypto world, this is the place to be. And without further ado, let's get started. Even in the hyper-digital world that we live in today, the third-place connection that Starbucks has always built among its customers is as potent as it has ever been, and it only becomes stronger as Starbucks spreads the third-place connection to even more places. But what if Starbucks were to launch a brand new online community that would be accessible worldwide? An online community based on collaboration, shared experiences, and joint ownership, initially revolving around coffee, but with the potential to branch out into the many other fields in which the coffee chain has long been active. How about Starbucks try to reimagine what it means to be a part of the Starbucks family? Well, the development of technology that is connected to what is often known as Web3, which extends beyond who Starbucks has always been at its core, has made it possible for the company to achieve this objective. When discussing blockchain technology, the term Web3 may refer to many different things. Nevertheless, the particular technology that interests Starbucks is in the non-fungible tokens. There is a widespread perception that non-fungible tokens are an innovative and highly speculative form of ownership for works of digital art. In the early stages of the industry, this was in some ways true, but Starbucks was at some point mesmerized by the way in which NFTs enable customers to own a programmable, brandable digital asset that also functions as an access ticket. According to Starbucks, NFTs have a lot of potentials to establish a larger shared ownership model for customer participation, community development, the provision of one-of-a-kind experiences, and customer loyalty. While doing so, a new sort of digital ecosystem will be built to complement the digital platform offering that is now being made available by Starbucks. This new environment will be a source of accretive income, which may be beneficial to a wide variety of stakeholders. In May this year, Starbucks made public its intentions to produce several branded NFT collections. These collections drew their motivation from a variety of sources, including the extensive history of creative expression at the firm, its continued dedication to investigating new forms of expression, and its groundbreaking collaborations with other influential figures in the industry. Starbucks has been in business for the past half a century, during which time they have amassed a vast number of resources that they are able to deploy to their advantage in many ecosystems. These resources include a long array of shop designs and artwork shown on Starbucks cards, rich history of coffee art and narrative, roughly 27 million active rewards members in the US, and other exciting means for bringing online communities and experiences to life. Moreover, Starbucks has a history of integrating innovative technologies, expanding them further, and making them user-friendly and approachable for the general public. And because of their prior experience with loyalty programs, mobile payment systems, mobile ordering systems, and Wi-Fi, they've acquired the skills necessary to effectively engage many consumers in order to generate new opportunities. It's possible that a platform called Starbucks Digital Community Web3 may lead the way in this field as well by integrating a front end that is user-friendly and widely accessible with blockchain technology that is suitable, rapid, and cheap. So their approach to blockchain technology was to undoubtedly begin with collections supported by blockchains and infrastructure that is congruent with their multi-decade commitment to sustainability. While it's possible that they'll eventually be multi-chain or chain agnostic, this wasn't likely to be the case right away. However, in response to this challenge, Starbucks planned to act swiftly, experiment, learn, and collaborate with one another. In May, Starbucks said they would be launching their first NFT collection, membership program, and community later this year, adding that it'll focus on coffee art and narrative. Its goal was to deliver a wide range of exceptional benefits and experiences, each of which was fit for inclusion in a Starbucks Genesis NFT collection. This initial collection was to serve as the basis for future collections and collaborations, all of which will be built on top of the same new environment. So now, regardless of whether you work for Starbucks or are a member of its rewards program, you may anticipate earning and purchasing digital collectible stamps that'll grant you access to immersive experiences. The company will use the proof-of-stake blockchain technology developed by Polygon, which is more energy efficient than the proof-of-work blockchain technology developed by earlier blockchains. From September 12th, both customers and employers were able to add their names to the waitlist for the Starbucks Odyssey in order to be among the first to try out the new experience when it rolls out later this year. Although it's uncertain whether or not the software will be made available in retailers outside of the United States, it will be made available in the US. But how exactly will it work? Customers will gain access to the Starbucks Rewards program by inputting their login information and then using the Starbucks Odyssey app to complement that program. Users will be able to participate in journeys, which are sequences of activities that aim to teach them more about coffee and Starbucks after logging in. Among the activities they'll be participating in include fun tasks or games that need interaction. Members will receive a unique digital collectible as a token of appreciation for completing excursions. Moreover, a limited number of limited edition stamps will be purchased through a built-in marketplace with a branded web app. Credit card purchases of limited edition stamps will be open to all members of the organization immediately. According to Starbucks' announcement, neither Bitcoin nor wallets will be required. The value of the points that may be earned with each digital collectible stamp will be determined by how uncommon the stamp is. The ownership of the stamps will be tracked on a blockchain, and participants in the marketplace will be able to purchase and sell them. The more stamps a member accumulates, the more points that member will earn. These points will give the member access to special perks and experiences, such as a virtual class on how to make espresso martinis, exclusive invitations to events at Starbucks Reserve Roasteries, and even trips to the company's Hacienda Alsacia coffee farm in Costa Rica. A few companies, like McDonald's and Panera Bread, have also expanded their operations into Web3. And instead of creating virtual restaurants in the metaverse, Starbucks has chosen to incorporate into its rewards network instead. Later this year, a few people who will have been on the wait list and will have been selected to get invites will be among the first to experience it. Well, the company's goal is to create a location where their digital community can come together over coffee, participate in immersive experiences, and celebrate the past and future of Starbucks. And that's a wrap. What do you think of Starbucks Odyssey program? Do you think it'll revolutionize Starbucks loyalty program? Comment below. Let's interact. Also, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing cryptocurrency news.